Hello everyone. In this video I will explain when you can get a refund on Eldorado.gg. The first step is always the same. Contact the seller through the order chat. Explain what went wrong and ask them to cancel the order. If they do not answer or they refuse to help, then you should raise a dispute and let Eldorado support review the case. Your order is eligible for a refund if the account was compromised, not delivered on time, has wrong login details, is not full access, or is not as described. This only applies if you did not change the login details, use the account, buy anything on it, or resell it. If login details do not work, the seller gets 12 hours to check the issue. You cannot get a refund if you bought the order by mistake, changed login details, used the account, caused a ban, shared evidence outside Eldorado, or if the account was not originally purchased on Eldorado. Some sellers may still agree to take the account back if it is in good condition. For boosting services, you can get a refund if the seller did not finish on time, harmed your account, took items, changed your details, or used programs that caused a ban. You cannot get a refund if you bought by mistake. The delivery time is not over. The seller could not access the account due to your actions, or you shared evidence outside Eldorado. For currency and items, you can get a refund if the seller did not deliver on time, only sent part of the order, caused harm with risky items, or sent items gained through cheating or fraud. You cannot get a refund if delivery time has not passed. The items were not bought on Eldorado, you gave the wrong character name, the ban was caused by RWT, or you traded the items away. For gift cards, you can get a refund if the card is not as described, invalid, used, or expired. You cannot get a refund if you bought the wrong region, shared the code, or resold the card. Thanks for watching.